Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and secure. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome back to today's English online class. In the previous class, we have started our Unit 1 Reading A, The Tattered Blanket Part 1. Today, in this class, let us continue the lesson. Before beginning the lesson, once again, let us revise the Reading A, The Tattered Blanket Part 1 story. The author of the lesson, The Tattered Blanket, is Kamala Das. The characters in the story are Amma, Kamala, and Gopi. In the beginning, Mother, lying in an armchair, tried to get up from the chair on seeing a car. Amma said to Kamala, "There is somebody at the gate in a car. Just see who has come." Kamala, her elder daughter, a widow, got up forcefully and went to the gate and peered into the darkness. She was surprised by seeing Gopi and said, "Why this sudden unexpected visit?" Mother asked Kamala from the veranda, "Kamala, who is at the gate?" Gopi said to his mother, "Amma, it's me, Gopi." You can see in the picture how he is telling to his mother, "It's me, Gopi. There was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram." He says that there was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. "I just dropped in my way back to see you at once." Amma asked again in a bit of confusion, "Who is it, Kamala?" Kamala asked her awkwardly, "Amma, why are you so scared as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time? He is our Gopi." Gopi bent down and said, "Amma, it's me, Gopi." Kamala, is Gopi's school closed for vacation? So mother is asking like that. Is Gopi's school closed for vacation? Kamala told that to Gopi that due to old age, Amma is not able to remember these days and asks me if you have sent any letters. If you have sent any letters. I always tell Amma that everything is fine with you. I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. Gopi replied to Kamala. So here Gopi is giving reply to Kamala that he got promotion last year and have become so busy since then. I won't get any time to write any letters to Amma. I am terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. So here, who is I here? Amma. Amma is terribly. Terribly means very badly upset that if I, who is I here? Amma. Amma doesn't get a letter from him. Who is him here? Gopi. So Amma feels very upset if she doesn't get a letter from Gopi every day. He knows it. That's why he writes every day. So Kamala says that yes, you feel very bad. So why? Gopi writes letter every day. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. So who says this sentence here? Who is speaking the sentence here? Look at the way she talks. Kamala. Kamala is telling to Gopi that look at our mother's way, how she is talking. Just as I told you, you know nothing about what's going on here, do you? So Kamala questions his brother that you don't know anything what's going on here. Do you know? Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in the car? So again Amma questions to Kamala that who is that? Who is that in a car? It's me, Gopi said. So immediately Gopi gives the answer that it's me, Gopi. I had to come to Tiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. So, Gopi gives the answer that he had to come to Tiruvananthapuram. So, he thought of to drop to see you, Amma. So, to come and see you. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? So, Amma questions to Gopi that who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? So, these many questions are asked by whom? Amma itself. To whom? Gopi. No, it is quite near. I don't know how I can bring back her memory, Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. So, Kamala is feeling very bad that Amma can't recognize anybody and how can she bring back her memory? Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. Here, what is the meaning of exasperatedly? Very annoyed. She is feeling very angry and she said that how can I bring back our mother memory? Gopi placed her briefcase on the tina. Already we have discussed in the part 1 that what is the meaning of tina? A small sit out, a small veranda. So Gopi placed his briefcase on the tina. He opened it and pulled out the contents. That means cloths, files, a shaving set. So immediately what did Gopi do? He put his briefcase on the tina and he started pulling out all the contents there. So contents means what were there in the briefcase there? Clothes, files, a shaving set. Do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked him. So here, do you know my son Gopi? So who is speaking this sentence here? Amma. Amma asked him. Who is him here? Gopi itself. So Amma is questioning to Gopi the question, do you know my son Gopi? He is in Delhi, a government officer. So he is telling that my son lives in Delhi and he is a government officer. He has Kesariyogam. Here meaning of Kesariyogam, well settled, which is known as well settled person in Malayalam. He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. She says that his son draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Do you know him? So to whom the mother is questioning there? To Gopi itself, mother is questioning. So immediately Gopi gave the reply that yes, I know him. Tell him to send me a blanket. So mother says to that person that who is that person, children? Gopi. To Gopi itself she says that kindly tell him to send me a blanket. There is a cold mist in the mornings. So she says that there is a mist, meaning of mist. A cloud made of very small drops of water in the air. So a cloud made of very small drops of water. So very small drops of water. She says that there is a cold mist in the morning. If I catch cold, it doesn't leave me for a long time. So she says that if I catch cold, if I feel cold, it doesn't leave me for a long time. Tell him to send a blanket, won't you? So who is requesting there? Mother is requesting to Gopi to tell my son that to send me a blanket because it is a cold mist in the morning. Won't you? A red one. So she also says the color of the blanket that a red one. I had a blanket, the one he brought for me when he was studying in Madras. Again she says that once upon a time my son brought me a red blanket when he was studying in Madras. It is all tattered now. Just a ball of knotted yarn. Here meaning of tattered, torn, and meaning of knotted, twisted into a ball. Twisted, it is looking in the shape of a ball. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? Again and again she started questioning to Gopi that please tell my son to send me a red blanket. I will tell him. He nodded. So what did Gopi do that? Okay, I will bring. Just he nodded his head. Please don't forget to tell him. The mist is not good for me. I think I'll stretch myself out for a bit. I have been sitting too long in the armchair. I have a pain in the neck. So mother again and again says to Gopi that please don't forget to tell him. And the mist is also not good for him. So what is the meaning of mist here, children? A cloud made of a very small drops of water in the air. I think I'll stretch myself out for a bit. So she says that I will go and stretch my body. Myself means my body for a while. That means I will take some rest. Because I have been sitting too long in the armchair. She says that for so much time I'm still sitting in the armchair. So she is having a pain in the neck. For that purpose she says that I want to stretch myself out for a bit. So I will go and relax some time. Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to the veranda. So Gopi's sister, who is Gopi's sister here? What is the name of her? Yes, Kamala. So Kamala took Amma inside to bed and came back to the veranda. You didn't come to see Amma, did you? So Kamala questions Gopi that you didn't come to see Amma, did you? Delhi is too expensive. You know, I have 4 children to look after now. So immediately Gopi gives the answer that Delhi is too expensive, means it is too cost. So now I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary. So he says that with both, that means this end, who is staying here? Amma. And that end, my children and my wife. So both ends I can't meet with my salary. That means I can't take care with my salary. And one has to keep one's status. And he says that only one has to keep up one's status. I will be great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of family property. I came to talk it over with you. So he says that he needed great help, that he would like to sell his share of his family property. I would like to talk it over with you. So about that family property, I would like to talk with you. So why I have come here. So who tells the answer there? Gopi. To whom? Kamala. You will send your land and go away with the money. I know. You won't come here anymore after that. So immediately Kamala gives the answer that yes, you will sell your land and immediately you will go away with that money. You will never come here anymore after that. You will never come to see me or Amma. Don't say that. I'll come when I get time. So who is speaking here, children? Yes, Gopi says that don't say like that. I will come when I get time. I will definitely come. Your time. So your time. So who is telling the sentence? Kamala. He saw the irritation on his sister's face. Here meaning of irritation, annoyance. Annoyance means feeling angry. So who is feeling angry? Kamala. Who is Kamala? Gopi's sister. Why is she so angry? Because Gopi wanted to sell his share of property and go with the money. It took you more than 5 years to find time to come here. So here Kamala questions to Gopi that it took how many years? More than 5 years. So after how many years Gopi is coming to see his Amma? After 5 years to find time to come here. Amma is 83 now. I don't think she will pull on much longer. It took you so long to visit her after the last time. So after how many years Gopi came to see his Amma? After more than 5 years. So what is the age of Amma? 83. So Kamala says that she can't pull on much longer. So she can't stay more long. She can't live more longer. It took you so long to visit her after the last time. So after the last time, it took you more time to see Amma. But Amma can't remember who am I. He said, smiling feebly. So Gopi questions to Kamala. What does he say? Gopi says to Kamala that Kamala is questioning him. You will never come back. So, but what he says that, no, I will come whenever I have time. I will come and look after you and mother. So, after more than 5 years, you have come and your last visit is before so many years. But for that answer, Gopi gives the answer that, what is the use if I come there? Amma can't remember who I am. He said, smiling feebly. What is the meaning of feebly? In a way that lacks strength. That means he is having no strength. He's smiled very feebly, means very lack of strength. But do you remember your Amma? So immediately when Gopi says to Kamala that Amma can't remember me, so immediately Kamala questions that, do you remember your Amma? Got it, children? That means the story ends with Kamala's questions to Gopi, but do you remember your Amma? So in the lesson, The Tattered Blanket, the mother asks for her son's love. Her son's love is evergreen in her memory, but she has been overpowered by forgetfulness. She needs a red blanket because the old one is tattered. Here, the blanket represents the warmth of her son's love. She actually needs her love, son's love. Who is she here? Amma. Amma needs her son's love. The tattered blanket symbolizes the wounded soul or the tattered soul of the mother. Got it, children? Now once again, let us go through the glossary of the lesson. The tattered blanket part 2. Meaning of exasperatedly, very annoyed. Meaning of Kesariyogam, well settled in Malayalam. Meaning of tattered, torn. Meaning of knotted, twist into a ball. Meaning of mist, a cloud made of very small drops of water in the air. Meaning of irritation, annoyance. Meaning of annoyance, feeling angry. Meaning of feebly, in a way that lacks strength. Now let us discuss some few question answers. Why didn't the mother recognize Gopi? How did he feel? So children, why did the mother recognize Gopi? Yes, because the mother did not recognize Gopi because she lost her power of memory. He was not much worried. Who is not much worried? Gopi is not much worried. He took it in an easy manner. So Gopi took it in an easy manner that his mother lost her power of memory. Coming to the second question, why do you think Gopi didn't get anything for his mother? Children, why do you think Gopi didn't get anything for his mother? Because Gopi has no love for his mother. It is proved when he came back home after 5 years, isn't it? When did Gopi come? After 5 years to see his Amma. That too, to ask his sister to sell his share of property for getting money. Isn't it? Gopi came to sell his share of property for getting money. Coming to the next question. The mother could not remember Gopi. Do you think Gopi remembered his mother? What does it suggest? Yes. Gopi did not remember his mother. Yes, we all know that Gopi did not remember his mother. He just came to see him after 5 years. That too with the intention of asking her sister to sell his share of property for getting money. It suggests that he has no love for his mother. Got it, children? The mother could not remember Gopi. Do you think Gopi remembered his mother? No, Gopi also did not remember his mother. What does it suggest for this sentence? That just he came only for selling his property for getting money. Next, what is meant by the expression the tattered blanket? What is meant by the expression, what is the lesson name? The tattered blanket. What does it mean, children? In the light of the lesson, the tattered blanket means a wounded soul. Here, what is the meaning there? It is an wounded soul. Coming to the last one. Why didn't Gopi answer his sister's question? Do you remember your Amma? So, last sentence, Gopi's sister questions to Gopi that, do you remember Amma? So, for that, why didn't Gopi give the answer? Because Gopi did not answer his sister's question whether he remembered his Amma because he really did not remember his mother, isn't it? Did Gopi really remember his mother? No, he did not remember his mother. If you were Gopi's sister, how would you respond to his behavior? So I am asking you children, if you were in the place of Gopi's sister, how would you respond? So I would respond that if I were Gopi's sister, I would be angry with him. I would not allow him to sell his share of property. So I am telling children, if I were in the place of Gopi's sister, I would be very angry with him and I would not allow him to sell his share of property. Write the given notes in CW and send it to my given WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a nice day.